Alexandra, Buttercup, and Sunshine. Come on, you eat. I'm gonna get you some water. Okay, I'll be back. Ang cute nyo naman. You guys are so cute. Look at you, Buttercup. Hello, Buttercup. You look like twins, guys. Look at this two. This one, Buttercup and Sunshine, they look like twins. So when I arrive here, guys, they run towards me when I open the van. They are my friends already. So I bought them a special food. Okay, and I get some water, my dear. Where did you hide last night? Ano, where did you hide during the storm? Did you hide somewhere? Oh, you must be hungry. Come on, Buttercup, you eat, Buttercup. Sunshine. They look so hungry, guys. They run towards me when I arrive here, so they are like my friends already. Okay, I'm gonna get them some water.